Very, very inspiring mantra for this church. Katuambia ya kwamba msingi uko imara na tulenge juu. That mantra should be copied. It should be actually a national mantra. Because sasa kwa serikali yetu tumepata uongozi wa rais wetu Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Na tuko na naibu wetu hapa. As a country, we can also now start saying msingi wetu uko imara na sisi tulenge juu. Lastly, Your Excellency, our Deputy President, as the Governor of Kiambu, as I congratulate our Bishop in the work they have done together with his team and ourselves to change this county and change many things in this county, Your Excellency, I want to state here as a matter of fact. Number one, the fight against illicit brews in this county, we have taken it as seriously as you had asked us to do. And that is why you find, that our bishop acknowledges that together as a team, we have put our young men together that we are rehabilitating not only in the church for mission, but also to start their businesses. Tumeanza car wash kadhaa kwa vijana. Indeed, last week but one, I organized and gave licenses to rehabilitated young men to be garbage collectors and put them together to get some trucks and become worthwhile business people. That we did, Your Excellency. And I want to give you my assurance as the county governor that we will not take for granted, and neither will we allow that to thrive in this county. I heard you, we spoke in Mount Kenya, and we have agreed that that's the way to go. Lastly, Your Excellency, in this county, when we came into office, 2 months ago, there was an assessment. And in the assessment of how have counties performed, Kiambu County, we were ranked in the whole country as the #1 county that collected the highest revenue in the whole country. We collected 3.6 billion that has never been collected for 11 years in this county by any other government. And Your Excellency, we did that in spite of that being an election year post. We did that, Your Excellency, besides all the challenges that have been there. Your Excellency, right now in this county, we are overseeing the construction and the completion of more than 5 level 4 hospitals across this county. We are overseeing the construction of new 13 level 3 facilities, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, we are today building in this county, never before done, ECD centers in 84 schools at the same time. Your Excellency, when I met the president last week, when he came to Kikuyu, I said on the public podium, I will say it again here, as far as the support for the national agenda on housing is concerned, as of today, we have got 3 ready sites for that work, Your Excellency. And what we are saying is we are waiting for the ministry to come and we start the job. Your Excellency, we have more than 9 markets now that are going for advertisement. And what I'm trying to say, Your Excellency, is that we are a serious partner with you in national government to ensure that what our women rep was talking about, employment for our young people, the change of course for our counties. In this county, Your Excellency, we are taking fast stride to ensure that we don't let you down.